In this video, a general definition of pastes is given. Also, it is explained how these are prepared and used in paper conservation. A paste is a type of poultice. The term poultice refers to a solid which has been soaked with solvents. In addition to the pastes, there are also gels. Pastes are used to remove stains or adhesive residues from paper. The solvent is released in a controlled manner and the solid absorbs the soluble substances from the paper. A paste is a mixture of a solvent and a finely dispersed solid. The solid component is predominant. Chemically inert clay minerals such as attapulgite, sepiolite or kaolin are used. Pastes can be used with a variety of solvents in addition to water. This makes them suitable for use on water-sensitive objects. Also, they can be easily adapted according to the solubility of the stains. When working with solvents, it is important to read the corresponding safety data sheet first and to wear the appropriate protective equipment. Depending on the solvent, it is also advisable to use a fume hood. To make a paste, following supplies are needed: a solid material, for example, attapulgite powder, a solvent, a polyester film, a pipette, a spatula, a glass cover, for example, a petri dish, and a soft brush. The object is placed on the polyester film. The powder is applied to the stain. The powder layer should be slightly larger than the actual stain and about 5 to 10 millimeters thick. Now the solvent is applied on the powder using the pipette. It is important to always leave a margin of dry powder around the stain to avoid solvent marks on the paper. The dry powder will absorb the stains by evaporation of the solvent and capillary action. For better control of the solvent evaporation, cover the paste with a glass. Once the solvent has evaporated completely, a soft brush is used to remove the dry powder. The stain has now been completely removed. Pastes consist of a mixture of a high solid component with a solvent. They remove stains from paper by capillary action. During application, it is important to ensure that there is always dry powder around the edges of the paste. Once the solvent has evaporated, the paste can be removed.